Danielle here with Lavery Automotive. Let's go meet Brooks Davis. He's the manager here at Lavery Collision Center. He's most recently been Platinum certified. Let's go find out what that means. So Brooks, Platinum certified, what does that mean? And how many hours does it take?
That means that I have completed 50 classes to become Platinum Certified Estimator, and also it comes out to about 49 to 50 hours as well of class time.
What other employees are Platinum certified or close to it?
Currently it's just myself and Jason Baum. He's Platinum Certified Structural Bodyman. And then we have our two painters that are very close. They're within a couple classes away from being Platinum Certified as well, and that would be Jeff Smith and Louis Ringwayhan.
Okay, Brooks, so what rating is the Collision Center?
Our Collision Center is ICAR Gold rated, which collectively that means that all of our techs and everybody here in the office would have to be able to complete 200 plus hours of classes and all the new updates on their cars and how to work on them and how to write the correct estimates.
Is that the highest rating that a shop can be?
Yes, a shop can only be ICAR Gold, and then individuals can be ICAR Platinum.
So what you're saying is if I get in a wreck, this is the best place to come.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much, Brooks, for your time and information today. Congratulations again on being Platinum certified.
Thank you very much. Have a great day.